So a great way to represent data is graphically. That way a user doesn't have to sort through a bunch of data. Here we're using a small table with a small data set. But if there was a ton of data, a chart might represent that data better graphically. I'm going to go ahead and delete this chart so we can create it again. So it says create a pie chart that represents the total for each item shown. Well, we have books, magazines, coffee, gifts, and audiobooks, and their total for January through June. So the first thing I want to do is highlight the items. Now, if you notice, I'm not going to include the total because the total represents these items already. So if I use the total in the graph, I would actually be including each item twice, once individually and once in the total, and I don't want to do that. So I've highlighted this. I'm going to come and highlight by hitting and holding the control key while I select the totals. At this point, I'm going to come up to the Insert tab, and if you notice, there's a nice little icon for pie charts. You can read on how a pie chart would work. You know, it represents 100% of a whole. In this case, that's what we have. I'll click on the down arrow, and I'm going to choose 3D pie chart. At this point, I'll just move the pie chart over here, and we're done. Now, I might want to give it a better title, such as Totals by Item January through June would be a great title to give this. Finally, there's a second step. It simply says to format the chart using the above chart style 7. Well, if you notice, as I click on the chart, I get two more tabs, a design tab and a format tab. And I would highly recommend that you pause this video while you look through those tabs yourself. We can change colors, we can change layout, etc. But one of the things is styles. Well, there happens to be a style 7 right here. So if I click on that, I've applied the style 7 and I'm done with this basic pie chart. I'm ready to present it to represent my data to my users.